Morning, everyone. I have some news for you people. Made another new chart for Saturn transit on 29th March of this year, 2082, Vikram Samvat, our common era of 2025 to Pisces. So the chart, what I got is 12:38 in the afternoon. Saturn approximately at the time enters Pisces. It will be at 0 degrees at 00 seconds at 62 degrees longitude. So that's the time when Saturn is in infancy stage, you can say. It's forming a yoga with Venus, Sun, Moon, Mercury, and Venus and Mercury are retrograde. Rahu is also there. Rahu is a ever retrograding planet. Along with Ketu, of course, the effect of Ketu is also there from Virgo. The Lagna is again coming as Cancer, which is Karkataka Rashi. The same Rasi, it happens to be for the New Year too. So within an hour after New Year has started, in the Netherlands, the transit is also happening. So it is going to have deeper effects. It's affecting the ninth house and the third house. Third house is borders. If you look for a country, but if you're looking at the ninth house is the karmic house, where you have Mercury and Venus in retrograde position. Venus is exalted, Mercury is debilitated, and both are friendly planets to each other. Sun is also there, causing um, Mercury to be combust. It's very close to Sun because it less than 10 degrees, and Sun is at 14 degrees of Uttarabhadra Nakshatra. Moon is in Uttarabhadra Nakshatra. Lagna is in Pushya Nakshatra. Punarvasa Nakshatra is Mars. Jupiter is in Rohini, the nakshatra of Chandra or Moon. Venus in Uttarabhadra. Saturn in Purva Bhadra. Rahu in Purva Bhadra. Ketu in Uttara Palguni, that of Sun. Mandi is Ashwini. Gulika is Uttara Bhadra. Bhavalagna is Adra, that's of Rahu Nakshatra. Vara Lagna is Hasta Nakshatra. Ghati Lagna is Punarvasu. Vigati Lagna is Kritika Nakshatra. So, Mrityu is Aslesha Nakshatra. Kala is Ardra Nakshatra. Paketu is Satamisha Nakshatra. So this chart again reflects the ninth house being affected. So the work that the government want to do, the 10th house lord is in the enemy's house. That too in the 12th house will make efforts of government far more tough than what it should be. We will also hear some corruption cases coming out from the government in the Netherlands. There will be a lot of chaos for this year. And the Lagna Lord itself is with enemies. So it is not going to be a very good year for the Netherlands. People might even lose jobs. The IT industry, particularly the technical industry, could take uh, a hit. Many people could be losing jobs who are working in IT. This third house is Upachaya house. Ninth house is also Upachaya house. So the effects will come at a later stage. It will work, but it will come at a later stage. So second half of the year, you can expect some results. Again, what I see here is Venus and Mercury combination in the 12th house in Navamsha it is happening here. It's again not a good sign. Sun is with moon, of course. In moon gets debilitated in Navamsa along with sun. Sun is the conjunction with sun is not debilitated. It's happening in Virgo. So the effect of Lord being debilitated, Lord of the first house being debilitated in Navamsa is also not a good sign. The effects will be difficult. The Dashamsa, which is the house of progress, the 10th house is work. So it looks good, but again, Ketu in the first house, the moon is in a better placed position. The Lord of the first house is placed in 12th house again here, even though the house is friendly house, but here it is not showing a good sign either. So government will go through a lot of hardships this year, and people also, the Lord is exalted. People, the Netherlands will face certain issues related to luxury. Of course, Dutch are not very luxurious. They look for the cheapest uh, articles in the supermarket. If they're that too with the discount, they would prefer to buy it rather than buy a luxury stuff. It's not going to affect them much, but the people who sell luxury products will have certain issues of selling them. They have to be very careful. The business of those luxury goods will get hit. The normal people will have not so bad time. Common man will not have so much bad time except for a few burdens, further burden of uh, daily things that gets a bit costlier. That like fruits, vegetables, whatever food we have, that will get a bit costlier. And we also see gold becoming a bit more expensive in the Netherlands. But I don't have to predict about gold because not many people here buy gold or have gold or silver. And what I see here is the industry. Industry also is people who are they are the regular labor industry, the workers, factory workers, the people who work in agricultural fields. They have a relatively better time. But in April, March, April, I see heavy rains lashing in Netherlands. And this yoga is not a very positive one for the Netherlands. Shashtagraha Yoga. And I hope that people will have better life and there will be problem, even though there are problems for this year.